Not too fast.
Oh, look, it's the door.
In we go. Oh, look at all these poor puzzled souls. I'm so glad I don't belong here. Oh, look at all these poor puzzled souls. I'm so glad I don't belong here.
You said that.
Oh, look at all these poor puzzled...
You said that already. You belong here, Santa.
No nursing home is gonna keep me from eating human beings.
You seriously need help, you know that.
No.
Frosty, where's your grandma? Maybe I can cut her a deal to free me from Santa.
Oh look, there she is. There's Grandma.
Oh, I can hear her.
Oh gosh.
Hello, Grandma. Playing hide and seek. It's her favorite game. In we go. This is so exciting I can barely keep still.
Kill me. Frosty, we don't have to do this. Free me now and I'll give you anything. Anything. I'll give you my hoof I hold so dear to me.
Good one, Rudolph. You are a dear friend to me.
Hey, where is she?
Oh, she's just hiding. She does this all the time. She's probably in that dark corridor just ahead.
Oh no. Oh look, there's an exit to the left of us. Let's just turn the boat and we'll be on our way.
Has anyone seen Going in Style?
We're passing the fire exit.
That was a good movie.
Listen, Frosty, I'm sure deep down your grandma May is a wonderful person, but if what we saw back there was your grandma, then there is something wrong with your grandma.
Something wrong with her? I guess you could say...
Santa. We are dead. Dead.
Now remember, don't make any loud noises or any sudden movements, or you'll be sorry. You'll be sorry.
No.
Yay, I'm so excited I can't keep still now.
Santa, stop moving. You're gonna get us killed, Santa.
In we go. Wee, it's so dark in here, and we can't see anything. Yay! Grandma, where are you? Or should I say, where are you?
I can hear her. Frosty, is she, with someone?
No, she's alone in here.
That's not what I meant, Frosty.
Shh, she's getting closer.
It actually sounds like she's getting further away from us.
She's getting closer.
Closer? It doesn't sound like she's getting any...
Oh, hello, Grandma. Oh, thank you, Grandma. That's the festive seasoning we needed. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.
Yay, we got the seasoning. Now we need not delay the preparation of my dear friend Rudolph any longer.
Oh, Santa, you're still joking about cooking, Rudolph. That's so distasteful.
Great, now can we please get out of here now?
Good idea, Rudolph. The entrance is over there. But we can't leave without saying one last goodbye to Grandma. There she is. Goodbye, Grandma. Thank you for the seasoning.
Goodbye. Call me.
See you again in the next life.
The next laugh?
Yeah, Grandma passed away 2 years ago, but I still come back here and fetch her flowers every week.
Why? that's so nice of you.
You mean that wasn't really?
No, what we saw wasn't really Grandma. It was just the lingering shadow of her former self watching over us